Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to Twirl for Timber by Pitbull featuring Kesha. Let's get started. We're going to start with the chorus. We're going to hit right foot, cross the body. We go tap, tap, side, and back. And we're going to hit that hand on that foot. So it's right foot, side, left hand hits. Grapevine to the right and turn it back. We reach across the body, pull and pull. Get ready for the other side. Nice and slow, this time left foot. Cross forward, two, side, right hand hits the left foot, back to go left. Grapevine, prep, turn, ta, ta, together, pull and pull. Now on this turn, you can have the arms out if you like. They can be down. Dancer's choice on that. Let's see that face in the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and slow. Grapevine. We turn. 2, 3, 4. Pull and pull. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Together. Pull and pull and. Do a little bit faster, and we're going to add a little bit of a jump here. So we go right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop together, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, we just did pull and pull. We're going to take the right foot. We're going to go double right, double left. And we're going to go right, left, right, left. I'm just going to go down the body to go double right, double left. Arms come behind the body. We go twist, twist, down and up. And if you have long hair there, you're going to flick that up and flick. Repeat. Arms by your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, down and up. 2 times. Facing the front. We just did pull and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist, down, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next time we have a little shuffle and double kick. We start to the right, nice and slow. There's 2 options to do this. We go 1 and 2, heel down. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So you're kicking the heel, jumping on the foot, tap and down, keep going. Other option is to slide, kick, kick, but then you have to catch yourself to go the other way. Pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do either one, and I do both in class. So let's see those 2 facing the front. We go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So if you do cross the body, you don't have time to put down before you go. It's a cross, cross to go versus cross, down, and go. So those are the 2 versions there. All right, we have 8 of those, 4 to the right and 4 to the left. Last one's ta, 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 ta. Right shoulder goes towards the mirror, round and round, left and round and round. So it's just rock in, tap and tap, rocking, tap and tap. And then we take it around the world. Round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's time for 2 circles if you want. Then we go left shoulder. 1, 2, round and round, left and round and round. So left and right. And we go the other direction. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either rodeo arms or party arms. Let's see those facing the front. Last one. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right shoulder. 1, 2, 3 and 4, left and pop, 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 round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, get ready, left shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chorus starts. It's going down. I'm yelling timber, you better move, we pull, you better dance. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It either repeats again, of course, or we take it up. Front, front, depends where you are in the music. Second verse, ha, shoulder twist, down and up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, both versions here. Pop, pop, 4 times each side. Shoulder, rock, pop, pop, rock, all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left. Swing your partner round and round. In the night, going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again with the chorus, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn, we pull. Left, cross, cross, open, back. Grapevine, we turn. 2 more times. We're going to pick up the tempo here a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Together and pull and pull. Left, 2, and back. We turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group and back. Let's pretend we've got 4 times. Side, side, down, and up. That's all the choreography for temper. Let's dance it.